Hello everybody, so as you may know I've just been to Costa Rica for the past 2 weeks and I've just put together some footage taken entirely with the DJI Mavic Mini. If you want to see how easy I found it travelling with the Mini and any problems I encountered, keep your eyes out for next week when I'll be doing an in-depth guide of how to travel with your Mini. That's all for now, I hope you enjoy the video. If you found it useful or enjoyed it, hitting a like or leaving a comment is a huge help to me as a creator. Soon I'll be making an in-depth guide of how I found it travelling with the DJI Mavic Mini. If you wish to see it, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. I hope to see you in the next one.